Welcome to our video on Bulova watches, a brand that has redefined precision and style since 1875. From the revolutionary Accutron to the ultra-accurate Precisionist and the iconic designs of the Oceanographer and Computron, Bulova has consistently set the standard in watchmaking. In this video, we'll explore the rich history, innovative technology, and timeless designs that make Bulova a favorite among watch enthusiasts worldwide. Whether you're a collector or simply appreciate fine craftsmanship, join us as we dive into the world of Bulova watches where heritage meets innovation. Number 10, Bulova watches, a legacy of precision and style. Bulova watches have long been synonymous with precision, innovation, and timeless style. Since its founding in 1875, Bulova has consistently pushed the boundaries of watchmaking, creating iconic timepieces that blend cutting-edge technology with elegant design. From the groundbreaking Accutron, the world's first fully electronic watch, to the Precisionist collection, known for its unparalleled accuracy, Bulova has cemented its reputation as a leader in the industry. Each watch reflects a commitment to craftsmanship, whether it's the sleek sophistication of the classic line, the adventurous spirit of the Oceanographer, or the retro charm of the Computron. Bulova's designs cater to diverse tastes, offering everything from minimalist elegance to bold, statement-making aesthetics. With a legacy rooted in innovation and a focus on quality, Bulova watches are more than just timekeepers, they are symbols of heritage, precision, and style. Number 9, Bulova Mains Millenia Automatic Black 98291. The watch is a stunning timepiece that effortlessly blends modern design with classic sophistication. This watch features a sleek black dial with luminous silver tone hands and markers, ensuring optimal readability in any lighting. The automatic movement eliminates the need for a battery, powered instead by the natural motion of your wrist, making it both eco-friendly and reliable. The stainless steel case and bracelet provide durability and a polished finish, while the exhibition case back offers a glimpse into the intricate mechanics of the watch. With a water resistance of up to 30 meters, it's suitable for everyday wear, though not for swimming or diving. The minimalist yet bold design makes it versatile, perfect for both formal occasion and casual outings. Number 8, Bulova Computron Quartz Digital Mains Watch. The watch is a retro-inspired timepiece that pays homage to the bold, futuristic designs of the 1970s. With its distinctive trapezoidal case and sleek stainless steel finish, this watch stands out as a statement piece for modern men. The digital LED display, activated with a simple tilt of the wrist, adds a touch of nostalgia while maintaining practicality. Powered by precise quartz movement, it ensures accurate timekeeping, and its water resistance of up to 30 meters makes it suitable for everyday wear. The unique design is complemented by a comfortable bracelet that fits snugly on the wrist, blending style and functionality seamlessly. Whether you're a fan of vintage aesthetics or simply looking for a watch that breaks the mold, the Bulova Computron is a perfect choice. Number 7, Bulova Archive Black Leather Strap Lunar Pilot Chronograph Watch. The watch is a tribute to innovation and history, inspired by the iconic timepiece worn during the 1971 Apollo 15 mission. This watch combines vintage charm with modern precision, featuring a sleek black dial with 3 sub-dials for chronograph functionality and a date window for added practicality. The high-performance quartz movement ensures exceptional accuracy, while the black leather strap offers a comfortable and sophisticated fit. The stainless steel case and domed mineral crystal add durability and a polished finish, making it both stylish and resilient. With water resistance up to 50 meters, it's suitable for everyday wear, though not for swimming or diving. Number 6, Bulova Precisionist Chronograph Mains Watch. The watch is a masterpiece of precision engineering and modern design. Known for its unparalleled accuracy, this timepiece features Bulova's proprietary precisionist quartz movement, which is 8 times more precise than standard quartz watches. The sleek, sporty design includes a striking chronograph function with 3 subdials, a date window, and a bold, easy to read dial. Crafted with a stainless steel case and bracelet, it offers durability and a polished, sophisticated look. The watch is also water resistant up to 300 meters, making it suitable for swimming and water sports. The sapphire crystal glass ensures scratch resistance, while the luminous hands and markers provide excellent visibility in low light conditions. Whether you're dressing up for a formal occasion or heading out for an adventure. Number 5. Bulova Oceanographer Devil Diver. The Bulova Oceanographer Devil Diver, also known as the Devil Diver, is a bold and iconic timepiece that pays homage to Bulova's vintage dive watches from the 1970s. With its striking design and robust functionality, this watch is built for adventure. It features a unidirectional rotating bezel, luminous hands and markers, and a date window, ensuring optimal readability and practicality underwater. The stainless steel case and bracelet provide durability, while the vibrant dial colors like deep blue or green add a touch of retro flair. Water resistant up to 200 meters, it's a reliable companion for diving and water sports. The automatic movement powers the watch with the natural motion of your wrist, eliminating the need for a battery. The Devil Diver's combination of vintage aesthetics and modern performance makes it a standout choice for watch enthusiasts and collectors. Number 4. Bulova Mains Marine Star Chronograph. The Bulova Mains Marine Star Chronograph is a sophisticated and sporty timepiece designed for those who appreciate both style and functionality. This watch features a durable stainless steel case and bracelet, complemented by a striking blue, black, or silver dial with luminous hands and markers for enhanced visibility. The chronograph function includes 3 subdials for precise timekeeping, while the date window adds practicality to its sleek design. Water resistant up to 200 meters, the Marine Star is perfect for water sports and diving, making it as versatile as it is stylish. The unidirectional rotating bezel and scratch-resistant mineral crystal ensure durability, while the bold design exudes confidence and elegance. Powered by reliable quartz movement, it offers accurate timekeeping with minimal maintenance. Number 3. Bulova Oceanographer Green Dial Watch. The Bulova Mains Marine Star Chronograph is a sophisticated and sporty timepiece designed for those who appreciate both style and functionality. This watch features a durable stainless steel case and bracelet, complemented by a striking blue, black, or silver dial with luminous hands and markers for enhanced visibility. The chronograph function includes 3 subdials for precise timekeeping, while the date window adds practicality to its sleek design. Water resistant up to 200 meters, the Marine Star is perfect for water sports and diving, making it as versatile as it is stylish. The unidirectional rotating bezel and scratch-resistant mineral crystal ensure durability, while the bold design exudes confidence and elegance. Powered by reliable quartz movement, it offers accurate timekeeping with minimal maintenance. Number 2. Bulova Mains Classic MK Automatic Open Aperture. The Bulova Mains Classic MK Automatic Open Aperture is a stunning blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern design. This timepiece features a unique open aperture dial that offers a captivating view of the intricate automatic movement inside, showcasing the artistry of watchmaking. The sleek silver-toned stainless steel case and bracelet provide a polished, sophisticated look, while the exhibition case back further highlights the watch's mechanical beauty. The luminous hands and markers ensure easy readability, and the date function adds practicality to its elegant design. Powered by the natural motion of your wrist, the automatic movement eliminates the need for a battery, making it both eco-friendly and reliable. With a water resistance of 30 meters, it's suitable for everyday wear but not for swimming. The Bulova MK automatic open aperture is perfect for men who appreciate fine details and timeless style. Number 1, Bulova Mains Precisionist Diamond Black Dial. The Bulova Mains Precisionist Diamond Black Dial is a luxurious timepiece that combines cutting-edge technology with elegant design. Known for its unparalleled accuracy, this watch features Bulova's Precisionist quartz movement, which is 8 times more precise than standard quartz watches. The striking black dial is adorned with genuine diamond R markers, adding a touch of sophistication and opulence. The stainless steel case and bracelet provide durability and a polished finish, while the sapphire crystal glass ensures scratch resistance. The luminous hands and markers offer excellent visibility in low light conditions, and the date window adds practicality to its sleek design. Water resistant up to 300 meters, it's suitable for swimming and water sports, making it as versatile as it is stylish.